Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to understand and navigate the MSI MS16R4 battery warranty. Let's start by gathering the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. Make sure to have a microfiber cloth handy for dusting off any internal components. First, power off your MSI MS16R4 laptop and disconnect it from any power source. This is a crucial step to ensure safety while working on your device. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the battery compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble your laptop later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the battery compartment. Be cautious to avoid damaging any internal clips. Now that you have access to the battery, take a moment to inspect it for any signs of swelling, corrosion, or other damage. If you notice any abnormalities, it may indicate a need for replacement. At this stage, if you feel unsure about proceeding, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation thoroughly. If the battery looks fine but you're still experiencing issues, it could be related to software or settings. Before we dive into further diagnostics, let's clean the area around the battery terminals. Use your microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust or debris, ensuring a clean connection. After cleaning, reconnect the battery carefully. Align the battery terminals and press down gently until you hear a click. Secure the battery cover back in place using the screws you previously removed. This step is important for ensuring the safety and integrity of your device. Once everything is reassembled, power on your laptop and check if the battery is charging correctly. If you still encounter problems, it might be time to consider professional help. Don't forget, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. As a final tip, always review your warranty terms. Knowing what is covered can save you time and money. If your battery replacement falls under warranty, you might be eligible for a quote before repair. Understanding these details can significantly ease your repair process. In summary, handling your MSI MS16R4 battery issues can be straightforward with the right steps and tools. By following this guide, you're well on your way to ensuring your laptop runs smoothly. Remember, for any professional assistance, we are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.